Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make Chicken Do Pyaza. This easy and quick recipe uses onions in two forms and hence the name Do Pyaza. If you're new here, please consider subscribing because I post quick and easy to make recipes every week. Now let's check out the recipe. I've taken 500 grams chicken with bones. Now first I'm gonna marinate the chicken with a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder, and now I'm gonna squeeze the juice of half a lemon. Now mix everything together and marinate the chicken for about 30 minutes. In a kadhai, heat 2 tablespoons ghee. I have taken ghee, you can use oil as well. Add a teaspoon of cumin seeds. And right when it starts to crackle, add chopped onions, about a cup, and then cook until they become translucent. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, a teaspoon of Kasuri Methi, and give it a good mix. Now add tomato puree. Cook until the raw smell disappears and the ghee starts to separate from the paste. In the meanwhile, let's make curd mix. I've taken a cup of curd over here. To this, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of coriander powder, a tablespoon of red chili powder, a tablespoon of cumin powder. I'm gonna mix it well and then add it to the pan. And yes, make sure to lower the flame when you add the curd mix. Stir continuously until the ghee separates. Now, at this point of time, you might want to adjust salt. Now add in the marinated chicken pieces. Mix well. Cover and cook for 10 to 12 minutes on a medium flame. Keep stirring in regular intervals until the chicken is tender. Add water for gravy consistency. Once the chicken is tender, add a teaspoon of garam masala. Mix well. Add onion cubes, tomatoes, and about 3 to 4 green chilies. Mix well. Cook for 10 more minutes. And that's it guys, Chicken Do Pyaza is done. It can be served hot with roti or rice. On that note guys, hope you like the video, and if you do, please hit that like button and do subscribe to my channel.